Good evening, my fans. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In tonight's video, I want to show you how to use GC Auto Clicker. GC Auto Clicker, it's an app on Android operating system. It's also available on Google Play Store. You can use it to reduce the stress out time for Telegram mini apps like TapSwap, Hamster, Blum, MemeFi, and the rest of them. So I'm going to explain some of the configurations, but before that, let me show you the app on Google Play Store. So this is GC Auto Clicker. You can see the logo in case you want to search for it on Google Play Store to download it. So now that we have that out of the way, let me show you the configurations. So I want to create a new configuration. There are 4 configurations here, but I'll be explaining just 3. The first 3: single point mode. This one will perform repeated clicks at the same location as specified interval. This mode is best for apps like Cartesian and Grass, where you just need to have your screen on, not necessarily tapping anything, especially for Cartesian if you've purchased the Autobot. The Autobot only works when you're online, so you need this to keep your screen on. So the second one is the multi-point mode. When you set this up, you get series of clicks or swipes in multiple locations. That's depending on how you set it. You could use this for TapSwap, Hamster, YesCoin, MemeFi, which other tap to mine? Well, those ones that have a circular box, where Simple Coin, Sex.io, you could use multi-point mode for those ones. Now the next one is sync point mode. Setting click action in multiple locations will synchronize the clicks. You use this for apps like Blum and Ton Markets. Blum and Ton Markets, you use sync point mode. This record mode, I've not used it, so I can't explain it, but these 3 is what you need for now. So let me show you how I use them. These are my configurations. Multi-point mode, I use it for Hamster. Blum and Ton Market, I use the sync point mode. And then Cartesian and Grass, that's grass farming, I use the simple point mode. Let me show you the Hamster, for example. This is it. I have 5 points. I would advise you don't do more than 5 points. This is what you use to control the points, the plus and the minus, to add or to subtract. So let me launch my Hamster Combat app and show you. You can see the play button. That's for you to start. So you position this in the circle you want it to tap, then you press the play button, and that's how you use the GC Auto Clicker multi-point mode for this. So once this is done, I will show you how to use it for Blum or what's the other one, Ton Markets. So when you're done using and you want to close or change the mode, you tap on the X sign, then you choose save configuration before closing. I've saved configuration before closing. Now come back here and select the sync point mode. So this is the sync point mode. This is how I did the arrangements. So I'm going to launch Blob. I can bring it down further so it can give me access to see the bombs when they are coming. So now I want to play just one of my game. I'll press play and I'll tap this play. So you observe for the bombs. When the bombs is coming, you tap on the pause. When the bombs is gone, you tap on play. So that's how you make use of this in order to avoid the bombs. And you focus on only so when the freeze is up, I can manually tap. So that's how you use it for this. So I'm going to close and save configuration and check what's the third one. Yeah, turn markets. Let me check if I have a game to play here. Okay, I have 7 games to play. So let me launch this and I'm going to select the sync mode. I'll choose normal mode startup. I'll drag this to the top and minimize and come back to the game. Now I'll start play and I'll start this. So this is how you use it. When you see the bomb, you pause, and when the bomb is gone, you press play again. And that's how you use the sync point mode to avoid the bombs and tap just the tomatoes and the freeze. Focus on the tomatoes and the freeze. Avoid the bomb. So this is how you use GC Auto Clicker to get the best out of this. So I go plus 400. So that's it. Let me show you again. This is it. Let's say I want to create a new configuration. Select tags and I'll select new configuration. If I want to do multi-point, I'll select multi-point and I'll press start. Now it's going to start with just one click. If I want to add more, I'll use the plus. I tap on plus, I get 2. I tap on plus, I get 3. Tap on plus, I get 4. I tap on plus, I get 5. I would recommend you stay between 4 and 5. Now if you want to make changes to the intervals at which it taps, you tap on each of those buttons. Now for target 5, it is by default on 100 millisecond. When you select this millisecond, you can see millisecond, second and minutes. So you select this based on how you want it to tap. I would advise you don't touch this 100 so it does not display your action like a bot. So once you do that, you save, and that is how you use GC Auto Clicker. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.